The Commodore Closet is a physical attire resource on campus located in the Surratt Student Center right behind the Baseball Glove Lounge. It is open 24/7 and it has professional attire and casual attire, anything from blazers, skirts, pants, belts, ties, really the works to really set you up for success in your career endeavors, whether it be for an interview, for an internship, or a full-time job. Being away from home for college sometimes means that you may not have access to certain resources. We want to make sure students feel comfortable and confident in any professional attire they might wear for any opportunity they might have. As a collaboration with the Vanderbilt Career Center and Vanderbilt Student Affairs, we've brought together this physical space to provide access to students who need any kind of professional or casual attire. The Commodore Closet is a resource that really advances the Career Center's mission by focusing on providing inclusivity and accessibility to anything a student might need for their career empowerment journeys. Whether you're a student, campus partner, employer, or community member, we accept donations for the Commodore Closet year-round. You can donate any physical attire donations to bins all over campus. We have one in the Surratt Student Center, one in the Student Life Center, and one in the Common Center. And if you're interested and in a giving mood, you can always purchase off our Amazon wish list and send items directly to the Career Center. We're super excited to have this Commodore Closet initiative be a very collaborative resource between the Student Affairs Division and all types of stakeholders ranging from students to alumni to employers. We hope that this spirit of collaboration will really elevate this resource on campus and provide students with the attire they need.